Hello everyone, welcome. A video has been prepared for you to make the best pizzas at home. I hope you like it. Ingredients: 30 grams of dry yeast, 15 grams of salt and 25 grams of sugar, 30 grams of sunflower oil, 120 grams of water, 300 grams of milk, 1 egg and 30 grams of butter. Dough kneading bowl and pizza flour. Use 800 or 900 grams of flour. Add yeast, salt, sugar and water and mix. Add milk, eggs, butter, and sunflower oil. Mix the ingredients a little. Sugar, salt and yeast need to melt a little. Prepare 900 grams of flour. Add half the flour first. Mix it completely and add the other part of the flour. When you have a little difficulty, add the dough on the counter and continue kneading. Divide the dough into equal parts. Dough pieces will be 100 or 110 grams. Roll the dough. Add the dough balls to the tray, sprinkle some flour and seal with the bag. Prepare the other ingredients. Ingredients for pizza sauce: tomato pepper mixed paste, tomato juice, thyme herb, salt and some milk, olive oil. You can add some ketchup. Add the ingredients in a bowl and mix. Chop the red peppers. Chop green peppers. Chop tomatoes. Chop beef sujuk. This is a material made entirely from cow meat. Chopped chicken sausage. Chopped mushrooms. Cheddar cheese, grate mozzarella cheese. The ingredients to be added to the pizza were prepared. Choose your own favorite ingredients. You can make different egg pizza, we can even try one now. The dough will rise like this after waiting for 30 minutes. Add some flour on the counter and expand the pizza dough using only your hands. Since the dough is a very good, non-sticky dough, it is very easy to expand it with your hands. With the measurements given here, I guess 12 pizzas will come out. You can keep them in the freezer if you wish, or make 6 pizzas with half of the ingredients. Add pizza sauce to dough. Add cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese on the pizza sauce. You can add a little more cheese. Cheese prices have increased, my budget is enough for this. Cheese will be added to the top of the pizza. The cheese added to the bottom is important to keep the ingredients. Add other materials. This part will be a nice activity to do with your kids. You can try a mushroom pizza, you can also try an egg pizza. You can add some sesame seeds on it, it will give a little aromatic taste. Add cheese on it. Add some salt and paprika to the egg pizza. You can try a different technique while cooking the pizzas. Add the tray to the bottom of the heated oven first and wait there for 2 minutes. The oven temperature is at maximum, 250 degrees. The pizza base will be well browned when you apply this. After 2 minutes, add the baking tray to the middle of the oven and bake the pizzas for 6 minutes. The oven temperature setting is 250 degrees and the pizzas were cooked very well in a short time. As you can see, the pizza base and top are in very good condition. 10 pizzas. Since the cheese is less, there is no cheese appearance, but the taste is very good. Everyone can make the best pizza at home. Try it, friends. Don't forget to click the like button. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.